Hey friends, if you wish to fix 0xc0000225 blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator and then you can type chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is the system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar. Go to recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point next and finish and then yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.